Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this really cute little chick with an Easter basket. Great, let's get started. We're going to first start drawing a little tuft of his hair. So there's going to be a line here, and then you're going to go up into a little tuft. And back down to just about there, because we're going to put a bunny ear hat on this little chick. Okay. Now we're going to draw another line down here. It's going to be a little bit longer. Just like that. So we're going to go, and we're going to curve that and bring it back down. Okay. Now we're going to do his other ear over here. And back down. All done. And then let's do the inner part of the ear. And then we'll do the inner part of this ear. We're going to finish off this band, so the line's going to go okay. The same on this side. And then curve a little bit, just put two tiny little lines like that, and then we're going to connect that line. So the bottom part of her headband. Okay, so we're gonna, this line here, I want you to follow it and bring it down here. This is the outer part of her little face. And we're gonna go down to some flicks here. Okay, we're going to go out and stop about there. I'm going to continue this line because it's her little hand. She's going to be her little hands in front of the Easter basket. And another little finger. And the last one here. All done. Okay, we're going to do the same thing over here. So if you follow that line across to make it even. Okay. And flick out 3 times. All done. And then we'll bring it down like that. 1 thumb. And the last little finger. Well done. Okay, I'm going to do the top part of the basket now. It's just an arch, kind of the same as her little hat there. This is the handle. 1 line. And then do another one right behind it. Okay. Now we're going to do like you're going to turn your paper slightly and just do a curved line this way. Top part of the basket. Try to keep that curve. So if you move it and you bring it down here, and this is your other curve of the bottom part of your basket, okay? And then you can connect those lines to make the basket. And the same on this side. All right. I might use the black marker after to do some little details in that. Let's do some eggs in this Easter basket. And up here. I think I'll do one more right here, a little one. Okay, all done everyone. Let's give this little chick a face. So she's just gonna have simple little eyes. They're gonna go like this, and a couple eyelashes. She's very happy. And then we're gonna do the same on this side. And And let's give her a little beak as well. So it goes up to a point like that. You see that design? And then just do the bottom part of her mouth goes like that, or her beak. All done. All right, let's do her little ruffles behind here. See, she has some bum feathers. Okay, and stop there because we're gonna do her back leg. Now her back leg starts about here and it curves. Let's stop there because we're gonna do her foot. Now it's gonna go down a little bit. One foot, one toe. And the last one, bring it up like that. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's do this side as well. She's gonna have another little bit of a tail here. Okay. And then we'll give her a little foot on this side too. All right, that's our Easter chick drawn. Let's color her in. I'll show you step by step on the screen above what colors I'll be using, but anything that you have at home to color will be just perfect. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Town and drawing this really sweet Easter chick. See you next time. Bye.